Welcome to the channel. And we are sitting in the car. We are about to go on a date to go to the Greenfield Inn in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
And we're going to critique their food.
We're going to critique their food.
Because I've never been there.
I've never been there. And we're really critiquers when it comes to food. So, hope you guys enjoy. All right. Let's head over to the Greenfield Inn.
That's 2 minutes away. Not even 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Well, it's over there.
I know. We stopped at the,
oh my gosh, there's a car
gas station and got some gas.
Can we go to Starbucks after?
No, I'm thinking the restaurant's going to have coffee and dessert.
There's probably not good coffee. Babe, you can't turn left.
It says don't turn left.
Turn
4
left.
to 5:30 p.m.
No
Monday through Friday.
Left. It says stop.
It is 6:19.
You know what? Oh my gosh, you're gonna get a ticket. You just broke the law. You just broke the law.
Breaking the law, that's what I do.
You know what?
I'm just kidding.
I wouldn't boast about that. Please don't.
Probably needed some better lighting for this video.
This is terrible. This is great.
Anyway,
I think it's in there.
We're heading over to the Greenfield.
It's in there, isn't it?
No.
Oh, no, it's not there. Where is this place?
Right there, see?
Where?
Right.
That just says Greenfield.
It says the Greenfield Restaurant and Bar. Live music Friday and Saturday. Oh, there's going to be live music.
There's music today.
Wow, cool.
Oh.
We're going to
Great. They're going to serenade us and freak me out. Wonderful.
Should be nice. Should be a nice little place.
It looks cute.
It says welcome. Okay. So the
Live
owner...
jazz.
Oh, live jazz.
Oh, that's just Wednesdays.
Okay. Oh, it's dark in here. Let me turn this light on as I drive. Okay, guys. We are here.
There's no parking.
There's no parking. I'll just make it turn around again, I guess. We are here at the Greenfield Inn.
It looks like a little house.
It looks really cool, actually. I'm about to capture this when I get out of the car.
I don't think they want you to video.
Well, I'm just going to do the outside.
Okay.
But anyway, they got live music. But actually, a cool thing about this restaurant is the executive chef at this specific restaurant used to be the White House chef. I'm not sure for which administration, but he used to be the White House chef.
Depend on the administration which one is
I'm
going to be
assuming
the best food?
I'm assuming it's George Bush.
Or are they going to food poison us?
No, I think it was.
What do you mean by that?
No, I think it was.
Which one did you bring me to?
I think it was George W. Bush.
How do you know? How do you know? You don't even know.
Because I already know the chef from when Barack Obama was the chef. I mean, when
what?
When Barack Obama was the president.
I see the chef.
I know of the chef that used to be when Barack Obama was president.
Well, yeah, who is it?
And Donald Trump, I'm not sure.
Who was it?
His name was Chef Rush, something. He's a big buff guy.
Okay.
He has a YouTube channel.
So,
shout out to him.
So who's the chef over here?
Some older guy. I don't know. I don't know his name. I should probably look it up real quick.
I'm not gonna look it up.
Look it up. Look it up. Look up Chef.
Chef who?
The chef at the time of George W. Bush.
That's what I'm searching?
Yeah, I think
Chef
of George W. Bush.
This is weird. Okay.
Well, I mean, we got to get our facts right. I don't want to be wrong.
Yeah, well, apparently we're fact checking right now.
Fact checking.
Fact checking, right? That's
Yeah.
how you say it?
Got pictures of him or something?
Chef Walter Scheib.
Those are pictures?
11 years. Hold on.
Okay.
This dude right here. Is it? Is it?
That's not him.
There's different guys.
Oh, wait, here. That's him.
Who is that? Who
right
is?
There. That's him.
Oh, that's him?
Yeah, former White House chef shares. Okay, yeah, that's him.
You want to see the picture?
What's his name?
It doesn't tell me.
Was he like the actual chef?
I don't know. You're the one telling everybody that it's the chef. How am I supposed to know? I wasn't there.
Okay, I know you. Our relationship is interesting.
John Mahler.
John Mahler, I think that's him.
I thought that was another.
What?
I thought John Mahler was someone else. Not a chef.
Well, look up the Greenfield Inn real quick and see who the executive chef is. Greenfield.
Why are you making me research all of this stuff right now?
Because we still got time before we go into
What is this place called?
Place. The Greenfield.
The Greenfield.
Greenfield Restaurant and Bar. Greenfield,
Este?
Yeah.
Okay. What am I? Okay, I guess I'm just looking.
Looking it up.
Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, see. Chef John
Mahler, see?
John
Yeah,
Mahler. And that's the guy.
So was he the chef from George W. Bush?
It doesn't say it on here, but it says former White House chef.
Okay, so he probably wasn't like the main man. Maybe he was just like.
So why would you say that?
I don't know.
Then why would
Anyway,
you say
guys,
that?
he used to.
No. He said he remembers George H.W. Bush.
Oh, this guy goes back to the 90s, 80s, and 90s.
He said he preferred fish, but only if it was seared or grilled with a little crisp to it, never poached.
Oh, that okay. I thought he was
And he said President Bill Clinton. This guy's old.
He was President Bill Clinton's.
También, mira. President Bill Clinton, on the other hand, favored chicken, enchiladas, pinto beans, and rice.
Wow.
And George W. Bush.
Ah, see.
Jeez.
So he
preferred filet mignon, but gave only the thumbs up for a chicken pot pie recipe.
Wow.
From his home. So he's from Lancaster.
He's from Lancaster.
I didn't know that. How was I supposed to know? I didn't know that.
That's really awesome. See, guys?
Oh, great.
If you're in Lancaster, PA, check this place out. But
we don't even know because
we don't even know.
We didn't even eat yet.
Yeah, we're
are we gonna go in?
We're about to go in.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go in and try this food out, and we'll review it when we get back to the car. Woo! All right, man, it's cold out there. It's only 32 degrees out. All right, we just got back from our dinner, and it was amazing.
It was so good. It's really good.
Really
Everything
good.
about it was amazing. The experience itself.
We had
Bread.
Bread was our first course. Then we had you had she had the short rib
Egg rolls. With spicy ketchup.
Spicy ketchup. That was her signature.
That was actually
ketchup.
really good. It wasn't overpowering either.
Really good. And then I had some French onion soup, which was really amazing. I love me some French onion soup. So they were 2 for 2 on that. And then for entrees, I had the.
And then we had a small Caesar salad.
Oh yeah, I saw. Yeah, our entrees came with a Caesar salad or a salad, and I chose the Caesar salad. And we both did.
Yeah, it was so good.
We ended up both having steak with some steamed vegetables.
You had New York strip.
New York strips.
I had filet mignon.
Filet mignon.
With the thing that you really liked. Well, I liked it too, but you were mind blown by was the potato.
The potatoes. I don't know what these potatoes.
I thought it was cornbread at first.
It was like shaped like a square or a rectangle.
Like a little bar. Yeah.
And it was thinly layered
like
potatoes
little sheets of potatoes
on top of each other.
They were layered.
And it must have had like maybe some cream or some kind of cheese.
I think it tasted like garlic in it though.
Some garlic.
So it might have had garlic.
Whatever it was really amazing.
It was crispy on top.
There was like a French name for it. I can't really. Ducasse. Potato duca. Wow, really?
I think I had to do a D-U.
But
D-O-U something.
D-O-U, yeah.
You actually fell for that.
Maybe it's like.
It's a Ducasse.
I think there's a thing called
Ducasse?
Duchesse potatoes.
Duchesse?
So
maybe it was Duchesse. Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, I remember that from culinary school. I went to culinary school.
But then how did you not know that?
I don't.
You just now remember it?
But anyway, yeah.
Okay, whatever.
So we had that, and then we just skipped the dessert.
Because it was too much food.
It was too much. Stuffed like a tick, like my one friend used to say.
That's sick. Tick, sick.
Okay. Anyway, so if you're in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and you want to try some really good food, I recommend this place. I highly recommend this place.
The Greenfield Restaurant and Bar.
It was our first time there. We'll definitely be back.
And he's the White House chef. White House chef.
He was at one point in his life the White House chef
for H.W. Bush, Clinton, and Bush. W. Bush.
Yeah.
W. Bush.
And then from Barack Obama, everything went downhill. Oh, too soon? Oh, sorry. Anyway, let's not get political. If you're in Lancaster, try that. restaurant out. It's really good. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I'm not going to give it a full 10 out of 10 because
Why?
I'm sure there's other places that are probably
That was
I can
good.
one up it. It was good, but 9 out of 10. It can't.
The only thing was we were in a corner and we couldn't even move.
So yeah, that's the reason why. We were in the corner, and my chair was against the wall. I wasn't going to go any further than that. I mean, I could have used.
He couldn't even pull out my chair for me.
I could have used.
It was so mean. He was not chivalrous. He didn't pull out my chair because the chair couldn't move.
The chair couldn't go any further back, so you just got right in there. Didn't even have to move the chair.
Slid right in because there was nowhere else I could go.
One point taken away because of that.
Because of the chair.
Because of the chair. And we were tucked in the corner, and then from my point of view, I saw a fly.
I knew you were going to bring up the dead fly in the windowsill.
It was in the windowsill.
What does it have to do with the food?
Who wants to look at a dead fly when
Don't look at the dead fly. Look at me.
I was.
No, you were distracted with the dead fly.
But I saw the fly.
Thank you.
Anyway, try the Greenfield restaurant and bar out if you're in Lancaster,
Are we done with the
Pennsylvania.
review? Are we done?
Yeah.
I'm cold.
Okay, well the heat's on. Try the Greenfield restaurant and bar if you're in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. If you like this video, subscribe and leave a comment, please. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.